How to avoid tolls in Waze route settings. First, open the Waze app and make sure your GPS or location is on. Tap on the three line at top left corner and go to settings. In settings, scroll down and tap navigation. This is where you can customize how Waze plan your route. Look for the avoid toll roads and toggle it on. Waze will now automatically plan route that skip toll road whenever possible. Now enter your destination. Tap go now to get
You
a
ready?
route.
I am. Let's go.
Waze will calculate a route that avoids toll while still keeping traffic in distance in mind. And you can also toggle highways and avoid ferries in the same menu if you want to further customize your route. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.